Alright, I already looked at the garage sale, but I'll videotape it just so I can have it. How much is your foot pedal?
Sorry, what?
The exercise pedal. This thing right here.
$5.
$5? Okay. That's good to know. I was looking for one of them when I was up in Georgia. I was doing gold mining, and I needed something to like generate power while it was. I needed something to filter something, and the foot power would have worked good. You know, converting foot power to electricity to drive a pump instead of hand cranking it. That would have been better.
Did you find any gold up there?
I did. 24 karat, but not enough to to jump for joy. But I did. My sluice run was full of gold dust. I mean, microscopic gold dust, and I only found it after the sluice run dried 100%. So there is gold there. Gold is about 2 feet down. The problem up in Georgia is that the bedrock is 2 feet down. So you know, once you get through all that clay mud layer, then you hit the you hit these huge, I mean, like 1-ton boulders, and the gold is like a foot below that. And without heavy tools, you can't get to it. That's the sad thing. But that's why the gold is still there, because it's inaccessible because of that reason. All right, still looking here.
This place to go is, I guess, it's Alaska.
Yeah, Alaska has it. Denver, Colorado has tons of it. Anything on the western slope from, I guess it's Cheyenne, all the way down to, is it, not Phoenix, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Anything on that eastern slope of the Rockies there, that is all gold. All right, that's it. All right, so we have some wheelchairs, some clothing. We got some cubbyhole cabinets. Wow, $20. It's actually good for the garage. So we got a lot of VHS. Look, here's another foot pedal machine. Wow. It's the second one I've seen today. There's little shoe cubby holes. Someone's at the cubby holes. Exercise, weight bench. They have that baby thing fold up is kind of cool because it looks like you. Oh, it's a bag boy. Oh, so you can put a golf bag in there. Oh, wow. Hey, Des, did you see that looks like a golf cart? You put your golf bag in there? A bag boy? It's a bad boy. It's a bag boy. So there's some shoes here. Are you selling any drones or any PVC pipe? Like PVC?
No, I have PVC pipe. One time I sold it.
Oh, okay. Any washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, lawnmowers for sale?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I mean,
These are cool. That's about it. Alright, so here's a little table that's been knocked down. We got a little garden hose, a lot of clothes. Corks, yeah. So we got a little, this little steel. I don't like steel though, because if it gets wet, it'll start rusting and staining the tile floors. My tile floors are the type that absorb rust, and it's an incredible amount of alcohol and hydrogen peroxide to get that stuff up. And it leaves marks too after I clean it. That's terrible. Here's Epsom salt. That's good. Interesting stuff. Yeah. Sopranos. What's this? What is this? Portable speaker. That's about it, really. He's got what looks like an air conditioner over there. That's it. And some carpeting, some types. Anything large for sale, like any refrigerators, washing machines, or dryers?
I would say in April when we get rid of our washer and dryer.
Oh, okay.
Fridge,
Are you selling any Lego with that Lego table?
No, I don't have any Legos right now.
Any video game systems for sale?
No, just I have the DVD player. That's all.
Oh, okay. Any PVC pipe or PVC fittings, like any?
No.
Okay. All right. Nice little coffee table. That kind of fits. Interesting. This thing actually fits my my ensemble that I have. That's it. Just some baby toys.
The one that's 15 is it's just got, I took one of the bars off.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay.
So, but they're fully collapsible, so they're easy to store.
Okay.
If you'd like me to show you, I can show you.
That's okay.
But,
Are
yeah,
they?
You just hook the top bit off,
Right.
and then
Okay.
they just so
Okay.
that, yeah, really easy. It's good for when you come back from the pool and you've got towels and things like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let me think about it. It's a great deal. And you're selling both your cars too?
Yeah, we'll go back to Scotland, so.
Oh, you're going back to Scotland? Oh, okay. That's nice. Let's see. I'm looking for. Oh, you got some bicycles? Oh, nice, nice bikes.
Yeah, good bikes.
Sweet.
We're still up in the air actually if we do definitely want to sell them or if we're going to ship them.
I know. Oh man, you should take those bikes back, because I'm a bicycle enthusiast myself. I love bicycling on the beach, but in Scotland, let's see, probably not much beach, but
Yeah. Horizontal wind and rain.
you put on a poncho, go biking.
It's okay when you're cycling with the wind behind you. Oh, that.
Like, there's so much good music being played out today. It's amazing. So it's a good garage sale day and a good music day. There's a lot of games. So they're selling something there. It's like bars of soap.
It locks just the height, it doesn't lock this.
Greenhouse, they got that little roller thing. Hello.
Hi, how are you? The Steeler shop?
Anything else for sale in the garage?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Stock.
Looks really interesting over there. Got some nice clothes. Clothes. That's about it. Cigar boxes. I'm looking for video game systems. Any video game systems for sale? No. Okay.
Oh, no, okay.
So, I was looking for one of those video glasses. Okay. Oh, thank you. We got a quick garage sale over here. So we got golf clubs.
And hope that I can find somebody that does the same thing.
Golf clubs are there. Oh wow.
Yes, there.
I'm looking for.
You know, on those filters.
I was looking for model tanks. Any
What's
model?
that?
I was looking for
Well,
model
those
tanks.
fish, you know,
I see you have
like
cars.
I know on our house up north it's 16 by 24.
There's
So
a lot
I
of
know
aviation
that
stuff.
one I know
Nice
for sure.
dress.
But down here you gotta
That's
get up and
pretty.
you gotta.
Alright, so it is Halloween time. So, yeah, I had to videotape the pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch actually looked more exciting than the garage sale. Alright, so we're. A lot of chairs and furniture.
Good morning, all.
Hello. Any floor air conditioner for sale?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Any lawnmower, refrigerator, washer, dryer, pressure washer for sale? Okay. Any PVC pipe for sale?
Nope. Bless you.
Any pneumatic tools for sale?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. We got some strip lights. Let's buy homie. Alright, It's garage sales are getting better. We're on the far side of the community. There's a beanbag toss, cornhole, whatever you call it. And a whole bunch of good stuff here. A whole bunch of lights. They're interesting. Got a vacuum attachment. Any video game stuff for sale?
No, all I got is the movies. No, nothing.
Oh, okay.
Video games.
Okay.
I'm a little too old for that.
I hear you. Any PVC pipe for sale?
No.
Okay. I'm looking for all sizes and connectors.
Yeah.
Any floor air conditioners for sale?
No.
I don't know, weird things.
Yeah.
Earrings right here, all of his earrings.
It's a little waffle maker there. Biscuit maker.
Not one, it's the other.
And just jewelry. Hello.
Hi.
How much is your jewelry?
They're all different prices.
Oh, I see. Okay. Beautiful.
Thank you. I made 90% of them.
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Yeah. During COVID. They had nothing else to do.
That's it. Any floor air conditioners for sale? Any refrigerators, washers, dryers, pressure washers? Any PVC pipe for sale or fittings? Okay.
Oh, Alan, do you know about the post that said?
Look at that. He's drying out his carpet with a fan underneath that. It's pretty cool. And 2 ladders. It's pretty awesome. Alright. Got some coax. I mean, not coax. Ethernet cable. Interesting. This looks like Ethernet. Could be. Yeah, it's Ethernet. I was gonna say it could be fiber cable, but it's not. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so we got some cubbies again. We got some paintings. Clothes, more paintings. Ties. More ties.
No?
There's some games.
Okay. She's in charge of security. Yes. Here it is. How much for everything?
Do you have any video game systems for sale? Yeah. Okay. She's an awesome business person, I'm telling you.
I don't have those, but
Yeah. But I can sell you a comparable. That's what you have to say. But I can sell you a comparable and then show them like underwear or something. Right. There's a steamer. This is interesting. Some good shoes.
yeah. So I can replace his back. Oh, they
So this is Star Wars on. This is a TIE fighter. It's got a remote control, so it's kind of interesting. Talking about remote controls, there was a drone flying over my house at 4 o'clock this morning. A big one, like 3 feet, like cubed. It had lights on it. It woke me up. I thought it was the sun rising. Alright, that was about it. Off the Vampire Slayer. This is a small garage sale. There's one across the street. That's not what that is. Interesting. There's light bulbs there. EcoSmart LED. These are interesting, actually.
Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning.
Hello. Anything else for sale? Any bicycles, pneumatic tools? Wow, look at this stuff. This Marvel stuff. Look at all this. Pool table. This Blu-ray. Awesome stuff. How much are your Barbies and
Barbie's will sell for $15 for the Barbies.
yeah? And how much are your Star Wars and Marvel? The metal.
Oh, this one? I'll say 10.
10, okay. All right, keep that in mind. Any video game stuff for sale?
Oh, you already bought it?
Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah. Late to the party. How much is your violin?
I'll just ask me for 20.
So it's an entry level one?
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a training one, okay. All right, let me think about it. It's interesting.
Pag umalis kayo, fill out room na lang kayo doon. May candle tsaka snowball.
Interesting. That little car is interesting on that table there. That's it. So we got deluxe bingo. That's interesting. Some dartboard and some essential oils. Let's see, is it? Tanning drops. No, don't want that. We got some vitamins for $1. What that is? Power C. This is interesting. Gumi though. This has already been eaten. Balm. I'm looking for CBD oil, but I don't see any. Nature chewable hair vitamins. Interesting. Hello. 50 cents each. That's tempting. And they got water there. Just like $1 each. Really tempting. Hello.
Okay.
Any Hello. Oh, pretty good. I'm looking for specific items, so I'll have to ask.
Okay.
Any musical instruments, guitars, violins, any video game systems for sale?
No.
Any refrigerators for sale?
No.
Any, let's see, pressure washers for sale?
No.
Any bicycles for sale?
Potentially.
Oh, well, that's a potential.
I have a Mongoose EMX 20-inch.
20 inch. Okay. I'm looking for something bigger, preferably 29-inch wheel, yeah.
I don't have that.
Okay, yeah. No, but that's good. I'm glad you let me know about that. All right, thank you.
You look good on that scooter.
How much is it?
I've got a list of 23. I
Oh, okay.
might take 2 for it.
That's a good deal. Hey, cutie. Are you a cutie?
Only got 2,000 miles on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll think about it. It's an awesome looking scooter. I would love going across the Sanibel Causeway in that. All right. Okay, I was looking at this as a speaker system, this tripod arrangement. But this one's beat up. It's not worth much. There's one of those toilet plungers. Generator.
How
Gas
much is
can.
the generator?
All right. How about for the generator? All right. No wonder why no one's buying it. I think you can buy that in the store for $400. It's a small one. Hello. I'm looking for king-size bed sheets.
No, nothing.
Oh, that's interesting. That must have been in like 1933 when they were building it.
1936.
36? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's totally awesome. Wow.
Yeah, well done. 1,400 people jumped through that. Up to date.
Same thing with the Hoover Dam. A lot of people died there.
Oh, Hoover Dam too.
Rock slides, yeah. All right, thank you. I have to film this little free area. It's like everyone's getting rid of their Bruce Springsteen music. I don't blame them. clothes. Probably use that circular saw. Almost got 75. No one's gonna buy it. And with that price, it's hard to ask any more prices because you know what to expect. 350. Yeah. Yeah. This is a nice little. No, $250 for it. Yeah. $20 for Deep Tour. Ben Hogan Deep Tour. Interesting. Golf balls. That's it. All right, recap. Today, I did not buy these ammo chests. These actually have pennies in it. And I'll bring them to the bank to cash them out. They're not valuable pennies, but I've been carrying this penny collection for like 50 years, and these are just, I looked them up. These are not valuable pennies, so they're rolled. They're worth 2 times their face value if they're rolled. So pennies that are worth face value, but when you roll them, then the 50 pennies actually is worth $1 because they're all facing the same direction, the same mint year, mint type. So either be, Philadelphia, Denver, or those rare San Francisco. I wouldn't get rid of any San Francisco years, but I do have some Denver. But they're all rolled and separated by mint year and type. So, but I'm gonna cash these in at the post office. I must have. They're both full, so I have like $100 in each one in pennies, so that's $200. Anyway, I spent $1. I got those two all for $1, so 50 cents each. There was just a lot of, same as last week. Just we got the garage sales kind of late. There was a floor air conditioner. The guy wanted 100. He came down to 80. We passed up on it. We came back later. We were going to offer 50 for it, and then his air conditioner was broken, so it was one of those things where time changes things. So anyway, he didn't want to budge. So I don't want to. He was willing to go down to $90 from 100. I said nah. So anyway, hopefully better luck next weekend.